Hello guys, my name is Alejandro Serna. I talk of my town. I live in a town near the city of Medellin. Is 2 hours. I was born in Medellin and few years ago I lived in Ciudad, Bolivar, Antioquia. In this place I'm known for the coffee. Is a coffee town in the southwest Antioquia, where every November of the year they celebrate the famous festival, Fiesta del Arriero, where they come famous singers and besides dance come a lot the Kino Festival. Here you see a lot of horses in this town. You know everything from all over the world. Here are too much communication and proud. It is a village where the people are friendly who go to the park to have a good cup of coffee and the coffee derivatives under the large samanes that accompany today and night. The night. This town is one of the largest in the southwest, by which they call a city. In the place are handled several agricultural things such as cattle, coffee, and banana. Also, it's tourism, where there is mountain called Morro de Farallón, where this is where to come and spend several days of crossing, knowing the new territory. Very thank you.